when you're spinning in the dark or darker times, people can't really see your body as well, and your body sort of disappears in the darkness. What is helpful is if you have bright colors on your like bottom of your leg, so that if you're doing stuff like when you're doing those kicks up with your legs, they'll be able to see your leg better, and they'll be able to see that you're tapping your leg if you have some lighter, brighter color down there, because the light reflects off of it more. Whereas if you're wearing black, I mean, of course the opposite side of it is if you're trying to slim your body like I am, I'll wear black in the places that I'm trying to slim, and it really helps. Like the illusion is incredible. So you want to have bright colors where you can, and then you just want to make sure that you don't have anything that's too flowy. And then the number one thing I would recommend is really make sure you actually practice it in what you're going to wear as the costume, and really go for it, because sometimes you think a costume will work. Like I've broken costumes because I didn't like buttons popped, or I had a seam that I had that put in it that like busted open, whatever. You just don't know unless you really go for it. So I recommend that you actually take the time, 2 weeks at least before the performance, to go for it, so that you have enough time to fix the costume or get another one if that's what you need. So like, you know, I mean, if you're gonna do it. And then I guess the other thing I would say is you could consider some really simple stage makeup for yourself, which might just include like on Amazon, you can buy these like rhinestone things that you put on your forehead or on your cheeks or whatever. That could be a really simple way of like jazzing it up and making yourself feel more like a performer. And then I really would make sure that somebody gets a recording of it, because you'll want, like, you never know. If you're doing this for 5 years, it'll be super fun for you to look back at your first performance.